is our walnut spinach. Hi guys, welcome back to Blessings from the Garden. Now it is an overcast morning. Look at the sky. So we're gonna get some rain pretty soon. But before that happens, we're gonna go and take some stuff from the garden. So come along with us. Today is August 23, 2024. Let's see what we can harvest today. Our first time ever cauliflower. Not totally white because we have a lot of sun here in Jamaica. Try to cover it, but it's gonna be good nevertheless. So I'm gonna take it. First time harvesting one. Alright, so first time harvesting one is very pretty. Look at that, guys. And here is one other one coming up. What you should know about cauliflower, they don't produce side shoots like the broccoli. So when you harvest the main head, that's just it. But these leaves can be eaten just like collard greens. Alright. We're next on a cucumber plant. Let's see if there's any bug damage. Okay, so I'm gonna take these two cucumbers and you try to harvest the cucumbers when they're ready to be harvested, because it will send a signal to the plant that they're ready to produce seeds if you do not harvest your fruits. And also if there are fruits on it, other fruits on it will get a chance to mature when you take the other one. So these are some other fruits on it. 1, 2, 3. I'm not sure if you can see them properly, but there are some fruits on it. So taking these two cucumbers will allow these fruits to be well established. Okay, so we have about 4 cucumbers, very young ones, coming up. Also, to assist with that, I'm going to trim or prune the lower leaves so the energy will be going to the cucumbers at the top. So the plant will not be focusing on these leaves to be pretty. So let me just trim off some of these leaves. Okay, this is a cucumber, but as you can see, it will not form. It wasn't properly pollinated, so it is turning a yellowish color. So pretty soon this will come off the vine, but I'll take it off now. Alright, so I'll just leave those for now, and then we'll continue to trim them as time goes by. Alright guys, so this is a volunteer plant, so free food for us. This is our neighbor's spinach crop, and it is coming over the fence on our side. So all of this is free food for us. We do have our own in the other section in the garden, but this section, this is not our spinach, guys. But we're gonna take them because they're over the fence. So this is free food. All of this is free food for us. I'm not going to take all at once though. Just taking some. Okay, I'm satisfied with this for now, and the others can be taken some other time. Alright, so this is our habanero plant, and as you can see now, it's turning a bit yellow because we're getting some rains. We are getting some rains for a couple of days now. So remember, the pepper plants do not like a lot of water. But however, if you're in a hot climate and it's not really much, you have to do deep watering so that the plants won't die on you. So not surface watering, but very deep watering. But we have been getting some rains for this week, and we're so grateful for that. And it's time to take the peppers before they start splitting. So this one is splitting. Just like tomatoes, they will split when you have too much rain. Hard to get these ones over here. Alright, so we're outside picking the peppers. How the peppers even grow out through the grill. Alright, so there's abundance of peppers. All different sizes. Alright guys, this is the volunteer tomato plant, but remember how good it was looking? But now it's like it's getting light. Not sure what's happening with this, but there are blooms still on the plant. They drop off when the time gets too hot. But we're going to prepare some seeds so that we can sow some tomatoes later down in the year. So we'll just let this go and see what happens to it. If we get some fruit, we'll be blessed and happy and grateful for that. Alright, so just picking some amaranth leaves or callaloo. Alright, this is it guys for today's harvest. It's coming down, so I can feel a little bit of drizzle coming on me. So I'm going to do this quickly. This is what we got from our backyard garden, August 23, 2024. We got some peppers, lots of peppers, cauliflower, cucumbers, amaranth leaves, calla leaves, and also some spinach leaves. Alright, so this is what you can obtain from starting your own garden. So do start that garden one container at a time, and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.